Hi kids, welcome to Easy Drawing for Kids. Let's learn some color. This is brown color. This is pink color. This is light pink color. This is blue color. This is violet color. This is royal blue color. Green color. Black color. Yellow color. Green color, and last one is orange color. So today we will learn how to draw a star shape. Let's start drawing. Star shape ready. Star shape is ready. This is two cute eyes and a cute lips. Let's start coloring. Yellow color. Orange color. Orange color. Pink color. Thank you for watching.